Hello again and welcome to another video with the E39, and today we're going to have a look at the mats, because car mats in this car aren't, I don't even think they're the right ones. They don't look like the right shape, they're a bit shabby. So and the back ones are missing altogether, so I've been and ordered some mats off carmats.co.uk. I'll put a link in the description, so let's have a look and see what they're like. So the beauty of these is they actually cut the mats to fit your particular vehicle exactly. So you get a tailored fit, and that obviously looks a lot more professional. That's the company there, and yeah, they look like nice, good quality. I've gone for the I haven't gone for the top quality ones. I've gone for like the everyday quality, because obviously we haven't got that much value in the car to go mad, but yeah, they look nice. So it's a nice pile, and I've had the blue edging on these as well, which you can choose different coloured edgings to suit your car. I thought the blue edging stand out quite nicely on this one. So yeah, there you go. There's the mats that's supplied by carmats.co.uk. So we'll put those in and see what they look like. So there you go, we've got the mats in. As you can see, they're a nice tailored fit, fits perfectly. Nice snug fit, the rear ones as well. Let's just take a look around the other side. So it just gives the car a bit of a lift. Like I say, I think the blue border accent just goes nicely with the blue car. Gives it a bit of a lift for not too much money. They weren't expensive. Check them out, carmats.co.uk. Easy company to deal with. Very pleased with that. So yeah, we're getting there with the car. It's starting to look something like. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.